will make the crown shapes. Add a different paint here. Let's have that structure. Make the clones of the shapes. We have to collect different options there. So these are the designs here. We will repeat. Try to add a paint into the designs. Use another shape. Let's try the different option available into it. Add some butterfly shapes. Change the color of the butterflies.